Everyone thinks the best-selling Hamilton watch is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Khaki Field Mechanical. The Khaki Field Mechanical is a classic choice priced around $675. What caught my eye is its hand-wound movement and the fact that it has this incredible 80-hour power reserve. If you want a watch that combines history with precision, this is worth a serious look. This watch genuinely solves the problem of reliability in a manual winding watch. It features a 38mm stainless steel case and a black dial that not only looks great but is also water-resistant up to 50 meters. So whether you're camping or just want a watch that can handle some splashes, this will keep ticking. Plus, with its Super Lumi Nova, you'll easily read the time in low light. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Knowing that your watch can withstand some outdoor adventures without losing its charm is peace of mind. Now, some people complained about the manual winding being a hassle. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who likes a bit of tradition and appreciates the craftsmanship behind winding a watch, this isn't a deal breaker. In fact, it can be quite a rewarding experience. This is perfect for you if you love vintage aesthetics and enjoy a hands-on watch experience. Skip this one if you prefer the convenience of an automatic. For the price, it definitely delivers on style and craftsmanship. Product number 2, Khaki Field King Automatic. Next up is the Khaki Field King Automatic, priced at $845. Right off the bat, this watch impressed me with its automatic Swiss movement that also offers an 80-hour reserve. If you want something reliable that doesn't require constant winding, this might be your pick. This watch takes versatility to a new level. With a 40mm stainless steel case and a black dial, it's water-resistant to 50 meters, making it a great companion for both casual outings and more adventurous activities. The stainless steel bracelet is super comfortable, and the sapphire crystal ensures it's scratch-resistant. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You're getting a watch that not only performs well but also looks sharp in any setting. Some users noted that the band could feel a bit stiff at first. But here's the perspective. Once it breaks in, it becomes incredibly comfortable and durable. So if you give it a bit of time, you'll be more than satisfied. This is a great choice if you want a stylish and functional watch that fits various occasions. Skip it if you're not a fan of metal straps. Overall, it's a solid investment for the features you get. Product number 3, Khaki Field Automatic. The Khaki Field Automatic comes in at $795, and I have to say, this one really caught my attention. It combines the classic look with modern functionality. If you're after a watch that balances style and performance, keep listening. What sets this watch apart is its 100-meter water resistance and Swiss H10 automatic movement. It's designed for the adventurer in mind, featuring a 38mm stainless steel case and a black leather strap that feels fantastic on your wrist. Plus, with Super Lumi Nova, you can easily read the time in the dark. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You need a watch that can handle both your daily grind and weekend trips without missing a beat. One downside some users mentioned is the leather strap not being as durable as expected. Now I get that concern, but honestly, you can always swap it out for a more rugged strap if you find it wears down. It's a small trade-off for the overall quality you're getting. This is perfect for you if you want a watch that transitions well from the office to outdoor adventures. Skip this one if you're looking for something more dressy. For the price, it's a strong contender for your wrist. Product number 4, Khaki Field Murph Automatic. Coming in hot is the Khaki Field Murph Automatic, priced at $1,095. This watch really stands out with its 42mm case and a bold black dial. If you're looking for a watch that makes a statement while still being functional, this is definitely worth your attention. What makes the Murph unique is its 100-meter water resistance paired with the Swiss H10 automatic movement, which means it's both practical and stylish. The leather strap adds a touch of class, while the sapphire crystal ensures durability. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's the perfect balance of ruggedness and elegance, suitable for almost any occasion. However, some users found it a bit on the heavier side. I'll be real with you, if you prefer lighter watches, this might take some getting used to. but if you don't mind a bit of heft, it actually feels solid and well made. This is great if you want a watch that can be worn in various settings from casual to formal. Skip it if you dislike heavier watches. It's a worthwhile investment for the quality and design you're getting. Product number 5, Khaki Field Mechanical Green Dial. Last but not least, we have the Khaki Field Mechanical with a green dial, also priced at $675. This one really caught my eye with its unique color and classic design. If you want something that's not just another black dial watch, this is definitely worth a serious look. Not only does it feature that hand wound movement with an 80-hour power reserve, but the green dial is a refreshing twist on a classic. It's water-resistant up to 50 meters, making it practical for everyday wear. Plus, the canvas strap adds a touch of ruggedness. Here's why this matters for you. If you want a watch that stands out while still being functional, this has your back. Some people mention the canvas strap not being as luxurious as leather. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for something more casual and laid back, this strap complements that vibe perfectly. It just depends on what you're after. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish watch that's easygoing yet durable. Skip this if you prefer a more formal look. For the price, it's a solid choice that offers great character. So there you have it. From the classic Khaki Field Mechanical to the standout Murph Automatic, each of these Hamilton watches has something unique to offer. Whether you're looking for rugged durability or stylish versatility, there's definitely a Hamilton watch that fits your needs perfectly.